Today we're diving deep into a topic: how to update any graphics card on both Windows 10 and the latest Windows 11. The first step in this journey is knowing what graphics card you have. You can find this information by right-clicking on the desktop, selecting Display Settings, and then clicking on Advanced Display Settings. Here, you'll see the name of your graphics card. Using Windows Update for basic updates. For many users, Windows Update is the simplest way to keep graphics drivers up to date. Go to Settings, Update and AMP, Security, and click on Windows Update. Check for updates, and Windows will search for the latest drivers available for your graphics card. Manufacturer's website for latest updates. If you're serious about getting the absolute latest drivers, head over to the manufacturer's website. Whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, find the Support or Driver section, locate your graphics card model, and download the latest driver. This is especially important for gamers and those using high-end graphics cards for creative work. Device Manager Update. For a more hands-on approach, you can use the Device Manager. Right-click on the Start button, select Device Manager, and find the Display Adapters category. Right-click on your graphics card, choose Update Driver, and then select Search Automatically for updated driver software. Updating via Graphics Control Panel. Many graphics cards also come with their own control panels. NVIDIA has the NVIDIA Control Panel, AMD has Radeon software, and Intel has the Intel Graphics Command Center. These tools often allow you to check for updates directly and customize settings for your graphics card. Manual installation. If you've downloaded a driver from the manufacturer's website, the installation process may require a bit more hands-on effort. Double-click on the downloaded file, follow the on-screen instructions, and restart your system if prompted. Always ensure you're getting drivers from official sources to avoid potential compatibility issues. Checking performance. After update. After updating your graphics card driver, it's a good idea to check the performance. Run a game or any graphic-intensive application to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you notice improvements, you're on the right track. There you have it, folks. Updating your graphics card is a fundamental step in maximizing your system's potential. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who enjoys a visually stunning experience, keeping those drivers up to date is key. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. If you have questions or suggestions for future videos, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy updating and take care.